Cannot we live in peace? Can I have some shoes? I will do what I must. I will work. Oh, okay, I will work. I will work. I will do the best I can. Cannot we live in peace? I will work. If that is what you want, the building, I will work. I'm hungry. I will work. I will do what I must. Work. Building construction has been completed. I will work. Cannot we live in peace? I will work. I can't build there.
Be on watch for the
That
enemy.
was a lot of work. I will do the best I can. I will work. I can't build there. This
Be on
hammer
watch
is
for
heavy.
the enemy. Quick, ready yourself. Be careful.
I'm just a peasant. Of work.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I am finished with the building. Building construction has been completed.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Yes.
Be
I
on
will
watch for
try
the
to
enemy.
hurry. I'm just a peasant. If that is what you want.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I will do the best I can.
The tunnels will protect the enemy may be near. Over there.
Building construction
watch
has
for the
been
enemy.
What do you want with me? This hammer is heavy.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Cannot we live in peace? I will do the best I can.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our work is complete. Building construction has been completed.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our work is complete. Oh, okay, I will work.
Lurking
Our
eyes
work
at your
is complete.
disposal.
This hammer is heavy. Cannot we live in peace? Are there not better tools?
Run, not be sensible. Quick, run for shelter.
Yes.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I will do what I must. Oh, okay, I will work. This is hard work. I will try to hurry. What do you want with me? I will work. I'm hungry. This hammer is heavy. Cannot we live in peace?
Shh! I sense danger may be near.
I will work. Do not hurt me.
Well done. You have reached higher
There's not
rank.
enough room for that building. I will do the best I can.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
I'm hungry.
Quick, ready yourself. Okay, over there. Our base is under
Cannot
attack.
we live in peace? Oh, okay, I will work. If that is what you want.
Upgrade complete. Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Our base is in peril!
Building construction complete. Building construction has been completed.
Ready for war! No cost is too great! We will not be hindered!
Cannot we live in peace?
Ready for war!
There's not enough room for that. Building construction has been completed. This hammer is heavy. Complete. What do you want with me? There's not enough room for that building. Completed. That was a lot of work. There's not enough room for that building.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Our homes are in peril. Will be seen by all. No cost is too great.
I have something to give them, armed with demolitions. Look at my beautiful weapon.
We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Do not hurt me.
The building belongs to us
That
now.
building is the button.
Our base is in peril.
I'm just a peasant. Building construction. There's not enough room for that building. This hammer is finished with the building.
We have captured the building.
Building construction has been completed.
Shall I push the button?
General! Our land is being attacked!
Peace. I can't build there. Oh, okay, I will work. I will do the best I can.
Their tragedy will come.
Our base is under attack!
I will send them running.
One has fallen.
Good.
A warrior has fallen.
General! Our land is being attacked! Land must be preserved! The enemy may be near!
What? Yes, yes.
Let us see the better reception there.
I will obey. Are there not better tools? I'm hungry. I will try to hurry. I will obey. This hammer is heavy. Do not hurt me. If that is what you want.
Our base is in peril!
Some positioning for launch cycle.
Our land is being attacked!
Scorpion rocket installed, sir.
We'll send them running. Without delay. Their tragedy will come.
for the masses. Positioning for launch cycle.
Guarding the GLA underground. Watch your step.
Quad cannon. Going.
Finished with the building.
We'll send them running.
A warrior has fallen.
I am finished with
We
the
can
building.
now use our scud storm.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our work is complete.
Launching scud storm.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
I am finished with the building.
A warrior has fallen.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
We can now use our scud storm.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our base is in peril.
Launching scud storm.
General! Our land is being attacked!
We can now use our scud storm. A warrior has fallen.
Don't get on my bad side. For this.
A warrior has fallen.
Our base is under attack!
Expanding surface area.
Launching scud storm.
Be on watch for the enemy! Be on watch for the enemy!
We can now use our scud storm.
Our homes are in peril!
General, a nuclear missile has been released.
We are upgrading to armor
Begin. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Thank you for the new shoes.
Our base is under attack!
General, a nuclear missile has been released. A warrior has fallen.
I'm just a peasant. Does it have to be so far?
We have more buggy ammo now.
Shh! I sense danger moving okay over there!
Our giant camp has been seen by the enemy. A warrior has fallen.
Our homes are in peril!
This hammer is heavy.
A warrior has fallen. Begin. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo. We can now use our scud storm. Launching scud storm.
Our base is in peril!
I will obey. I will obey.
We have AP rockets now.
A warrior
My
has
hands are
fallen.
cannot we live in peace with a lot of work.
The tunnels will protect us!
Building construction work is complete. Oh,
Be on
okay,
watch for the
okay, I
enemy.
will work. I will work. Cannot we live I'm just a peasant. I will work. That is what we want.
Be on watch for the enemy.
We can now use our Scudstone.
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy.
Cannot we live in peace?
Be on watch for the enemy. Be on watch for the enemy. Lurking eyes at your disposal. Be on watch for the enemy.
A warrior has fallen, launching Scudstone.
Be on watch for the enemy.
We can now use our Scudstone.
I'll puncture the next thing.
Building construction
engineer. General! Our landing is attacked! GLA underground!
Shall I push the button? Their tragedy will come.
We can now use our
Do not
Scudstone.
hurt me.
Four on the floor.
Shall I push the button? We'll send them running.
Huh? I'll get there.
I'm just a peasant.
Four on the floor.
Look at my beautiful weapon. What station you need, General? Lurking eyes at your disposal. Scud launcher, poised to strike. Without delay. Something
Beacon.
for the
We have
masses.
spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Oh, okay, okay, I will work.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
What do you want with me? I will do what I must. Oh,
Lurking
okay,
eyes at
okay,
your
I will
disposal.
work.
We can now use our Scudstone.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
Our base is under attack!
We'll send them running.
Yes.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
I will go. Ow! Okay, I will work. Here I go.
Lurking eyes at your disposal. Lurking eyes at your disposal.
Launching Scudstone. We can now use our Scudstone.
I am finished with the building.
Lurking eyes at your disposal.
A warrior has fallen.
General! Our land is being attacked!
Launching Scudstone.
Don't get on my bad side. Quad cannon. Yes, yes.
I am finished with the building.
A warrior has fallen.
Our base is under attack!
Launching Scudstone. We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
Push the button.
Our base is in peril!
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
Shall I push the button?
We have discovered an enemy Black Lotus.
Shall I push the button?
Be careful. We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
General! Our land is being attacked!
Just close it
A
up.
warrior has
Tragedy
fallen.
will come.
That is a lot of work.
We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Our base is in peril!
We can now use our scud storm. Launching scud storm.
General! Our land is being attacked!
Something for the masses.
We can now use our scud storm.
Cannot we live in peace? I can't build there. I will do the best I can. Do not hurt me. I can't build there. I'm just a peasant. I will try to hurry.
Launching scud storm.
Our base is under attack!
We can now use our scud storm.
Our work is complete.
Launching scud storm.
Our homes are in peril!
We have discovered an enemy black lotus. Be
Let's
careful.
kick up some dirt!
We have spotted a nuclear missile silo.
Building construction has been completed.
General! Our land is being
Rocket
attacked!
barrage ready.
Let's kick up some dirt! Kick up some dirt!
What is it? Rocket barrage ready.
Die! Let's kick up some dirt! Kick up some dirt! Our homes
What
are
is
in
it?
peril!
I am going.
Let's kick up some dirt! Kick up some dirt!
Launching Scudstone. A warrior has fallen.
Our homes are in peril.
We can now use our Scudstone. Launching Scudstone.
Our base is in peril.
We can now use our Scudstone. Launching Scudstone.
Our base is under attack.
Launching Scudstone.
General, our land is being attacked. I will make my own path. Of course.
Yes. There's not enough room
We
for
can
that
now
thing.
use our Scudstone.
Our base is under attack.
A warrior has fallen. Launching Scudstone.
Our homes are in peril. We will not be oppressed. Take us to glory. That stronghold will protect us. The higher order shall reign. We will not be oppressed. Let's fight. Our day has come. We must take what is ours. Our courage will be seen by all. Take it by force.
Our Scudstone.
The building belongs to us now.
Launching Scudstone.
higher order shall reign. Let's fight. Let us enter this building.
A warrior has fallen. Launching Scudstone. We can now use our Scudstone. We can now use our Scudstone. Launching Scudstone.
Our base is in peril.
We can now use our Scudstorm. Launching Scudstone.
This supply pile is
Our base is under attack. The higher order shall reign. Take us to glory.
The warrior has fallen. We can now use our Scudstorm. Launching Scudstorm. We are victorious.